Hi guys, thank you for joining me for another shave and scent of the day. Today's going to be a quick shave. I'm going with a cream, GOF Trumpers Limes. And that's obviously just a sample, and I've got a sample of the essential oil of limes aftershave. So that's what I'll be using for that. Mercur 34C with a gelatin acid, and this will be the third and final use of that. And my brush today is the Razor Rock Chrome Silver Tip, which is a synthetic knot. Sorry. Alright. So I'm going to get a little water on my face. And then I'm just going to scoop a little nug out of here. Gonna wet my brush and then just add it into the brush there, and I kind of just squeeze it in, and then I'll work that onto my face. Just a moment. A little alum on my fingers for grip. And then let's get face lathering. So that nug is in there, and I'm just gonna work that into my face and then add water. Creams, in my experience, don't need a huge amount of water to get them going, but I like to just start with that paste. Hope everyone is doing well out there. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. I certainly appreciate it. This synthetic silver tip is so nice. Got a ton of backbone. Nice heavy handle. Really soft tips. An excellent value, in my opinion. I think this brush goes for like I want to say like 35 American. I'll get a little more water in there. And I think that will work. Hey, buddy. Hi. My boys are up and ready to go this morning. They are homeschooling during this outbreak. Bless my wife. She's a teacher and still has her school kids to help whilst teaching my oldest and babysitting them both. What a great woman, bless her heart. Nice smooth shave so far. This Nasset blade I didn't particularly care for on the first use, but it's been quite smooth after that. So Maybe I just got one with a little rough edge. I don't know, but it's been fine since that first shave. I'm still not at the point where I can recommend the blade or not recommend the blade. I need some more time with it. A lot of people really love this blade though. I'll need a few more shaves before I can do a fair assessment. You guys have any new shaving equipment out there that you're excited about? Ben, if you've seen some of my previous videos, I'm pretty excited about the new Ariana and Evans soap base. Got incredible residual slickness. Very, very pleased with it. If you haven't tried, I've got Asian plum and Asian pear. Asian plum is the older base, and Asian plum is the older base, and Asian pear is the new base. They're both excellent. Hey buddy, what you mad about? Oh, what you mad about? Alright, now we're gonna go against the grain. Kind of pressing to get to work this morning, so I'm going with a little quicker shave. But I will not sacrifice on quality. I'm just going to do it in a little shorter time. I think Jackson's waking up a little angry this morning. I apologize for the crying, but we're keeping it real here. This is life. Alright, I'm just going to do a little cleanup pass. Alright. Alright, do a quick cleanup here. Now I'm gonna lather up on my neck again to get against the grain in these areas here. There we go. There, let's say we got it. Feel a little spot on my neck here. There we go. Hit it with the alum block. Nope, looks like I got myself right there. Now change to cold water. Really seal this up. Hopefully seal that up. I didn't even feel that happen. Alright, I'll leave that on while I clean out my brush. Kind of dry the brush off on a towel. Fling some water around. Just found a little piece of that nugget of cream in my brush that I didn't get out. There we go. Alright, looks like the bleeding has stopped, so get that alum off. There. Nice shave. No more bleeding. Hopefully it doesn't start again when I hit it with the alcohol from the aftershave. I added menthol crystals to this, so it is frosty, as you can see from my eyes. It's almost empty too, that's why I'm spraying so many times. I'm not actually spraying a half gallon onto my face. Ooh, but tell my eyeballs that. Alright, no more bleeding, great. I'll finish it up with Atelier Cologne Cedrat Enivrant, which is a lime forward scent as well. Boy, it is a beautiful kind of floral lime. And this, most citrus heavy scents don't tend to last very long, don't tend to have very good performance. But the Atelier Cologne line, they do a really good job with those. A lot of good freshies, and they've got good longevity. And all of that menthol is really tearing my eyes up. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next shave.